In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off private browsing in Firefox and stop having your history and searches saved or tracked. If you want more privacy while browsing the internet, Firefox includes a feature called private browsing. When private browsing is enabled, Firefox does not save your browsing history, search history, cookies, or temporary website data after you close the private window. This can be useful when using a shared computer, researching sensitive topics, or simply wanting a little more privacy online. To get started, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button represented by three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you'll find various browser options and settings. If you want to turn on private browsing, simply select New Private Window from the menu. Firefox will immediately open a new private browsing window. You'll know you're in private browsing mode because Firefox displays a private browsing indicator, making it easy to distinguish from a regular browsing window. From this point forward, any websites you visit, searches you perform, and pages you view within that private window won't be saved to your browsing history after the window is closed. Keep in mind, however, that private browsing does not make you completely anonymous online. Websites, your internet provider, employer, school, or network administrator may still be able to see your activity depending on the network you're using. If you want to turn off private browsing, simply close the private window. Once all private browsing windows are closed, Firefox will stop the private session. The next time you open a regular Firefox window, your browsing will return to normal mode, where history and other browsing data may be saved according to your browser settings. It's important to remember that private browsing only affects activity that takes place inside the private window. Any regular Firefox windows that remain open will continue to function normally and may still save browsing history and search information. Using private browsing is one of the quickest and easiest ways to increase your privacy while browsing the web, especially when you're using a device that other people can access. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,